That does not look too fun today. Oh boy. Of course, it's focusing on these. There we go. Whew. Jesus. All right. I always hate this. This is such a drastic drop. Yeah, this is even harder to navigate right now than ever before. It's so narrow. I don't know if I feel like doing that. It is so steep and so slick right now. I mean, it's not slick, it's cold. The wind, I mean, look at this. I mean, it's like a drastic fall off. Yeah, I'm not feeling that right now. I've done that before, but seems like it's gotten narrower and narrower. That little ledge there to walk. Oh. And the wind is crazy. So we're gonna climb back up here. Yeah, that is craziness. That ledge has gotten so thin and there's hardly anything to hold on to there. That has gotten undoable, pretty much. Or just, there's no point to it. I'm actually holding the camera here without the tripod with my gloved hand. Hopefully it doesn't slip. The sky actually looks really nice right now. You can see the snow coming from the southwest right there. This bridge was built in 1908. This is the Lucas County side. And the Wood County side over there. The Ohio Interurban Railroad Bridge. Long since been in use, probably about 46 years since it was used. Probably more than that. Probably closer to 50 years since it was used. Whew. That's bitterly cold. I was gonna go down this way before and there's a car still sitting there. My God, it's still sitting there. So I can't like go down there and walk. That's kind of a nice shot. Whew. The car right there too, but probably somebody who just walked. The other guy's down there on the end. I mean on the side of the road. Man, that little narrow walkway. I mean, I've been down there a few times. It has gotten much narrower. And the wind coming at you, and I got this camera in my hand. It's, oh my God. Just doesn't make any sense. Of course, they really don't like people trespassing down there. I guess I could just walk down there and who cares about the car, right? I don't know. I kind of like it to leave. I make it a little easier for me.
Who knows why he's standing there? He's been there for about 5 minutes.
Yeah. That bridge is definitely deeply decayed. You know what, I guess we could just walk down there. Doesn't make much sense. I'm still sitting there. Guess we could walk on the other side of the road. It's a nice vantage point. A lot of people like to come down and take looks at the well, that's the historic nature of the bridge, especially this time of year. It's a lot more visible because the foliage is down. All right, we'll get a quick look here. There's no cars coming. All right. Some very, very old signs. Very old. Don't know if you can see that. It says no dumping. Love that house up there. I'll just walk down here and cut the video. Again, the Ohio Interurban Railroad Bridge, built in 1908. This is the Lucas County side and the Wood County side over there. This landscape has changed dramatically over the years. It's been a long, long time. It only has a rope right there, which is kind of weird. And there's like the old wood fence. Oh, even this has gotten pretty treacherous. Jesus. That is crazy. Ugh. Kind of cool graffiti. Ooh, that wind, brutal. Oh yeah, look at this graffiti here. That's very nice. I mean, it's not nice, but it is pretty colorful. Oh boy. There's a can of spray paint there. Wow, they really did this up, didn't they? Oh, man. Whew. That is crazy. I'm trying to block the wind. Hope that's helping. Oh. That's a cool shot. Man, that's bad. Oh. Sorry. Oh, man. That is rough. Woo-wee. This is very, very rough. Very dangerous area. Another look at that graffiti here. Pretty colorful. Love, not hate. There you go. Very good. All right. Oh, look at the ice down there. Amazing this camera battery hasn't died yet. It is flashing now though. It's only a matter of time. That's gonna do it. Thank you for watching. It's a 100-day video challenge and day number 35. Take care.